most often, whenever the entire car shakes when braking. There is something wrong with the rear brakes. Specifically, misalignment between rear shoes and drums, if you have a drum-type brake in the rear. Or, misalignment between brake pads and brake disc, if you have the disc type. It is very common that a car uses a drum-type brake at the rear. What happens is, the rear shoes and drums are not in even contact when braking. This will result in vibration, also known as brake judder. The most likely cause of this misalignment is warped rear drums or warped rotor disc, as in the case of disc brake. However, it is possible the drums are okay, but rather the rear wheel bearings are worn or loose. This would indirectly cause misalignment between the shoes and drums. Take your vehicle to a reputable garage and ask the mechanic to first check the rear wheel bearings for wear or looseness. If the bearings are okay, you'll need to have the rear brake drums machined to correct their warpage. Now, after the drums are corrected, the old shoes may not mate or align well with the newly machined drums. So, you should replace the rear shoes as well.